That's fine. Working coast, bro.
Thanks for. Oh, he's a monster.
Is it wild?
I can't tell. Oh, he's a beast.
Dude. He's gotta be.
Steely.
Woo! Native? Can you believe it? That's like 10 jumps right there. Woo! Hell yeah.
He ain't done yet.
Nah, he's got fight. This fish has got some spunk.
He's a fucking native.
Yeah, that's gotta be.
No, it's not a native. What are we doing? We keeping him?
I don't know. He looks kind of dark. Let me see what he looks like here.
You don't got no net.
I got a net. We can tail him in. If he would have came up, he would have done it already.
Shh, I'll tag him out. That's not a native either.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Ain't no native.
Yeah.
Boom. That's done. He's pooped. Shit, I'll tag his ass out. He ain't done yet. Bring him close enough, let me get a whack on him.
That rock band, dude.
Oh, little fucker. Got my boots wet. Why not?
He's already spawned.
I don't care. I just like the way he looks.
His meat's not gonna be that great.
Smoke his ass.
Nah, they let him go.
Smoke him.
I'll give you some steelhead here.
Oh my god.
Fish.
Bastard. Are you kidding me? Here, hold this. Still recording. Get the damn net. Quit fucking around with this fish.
Bring him in here.
He is still fighting. He's not done. He is not that spawned out. Monster. That is a fucking fish.
Big worm, baby, first one.